I actually worry about the future quite a lot. I wouldn't say we're fucked, but like I think we'll need some pretty big reform, pretty big change to handle it.
From a transition perspective, municipalities are too much focusing on reducing waste. From our perspective, the main thing that should be done is to challenge and destabilize the linear economy.
3, 2, 1, go! First idea.
Well, I think the young people, they come up with answers we as adults, we don't think about. So they are encouraged to think about problems they didn't think of before. So, well, I hope it's for both parties beneficial.
The idea that my group came up with today is all about communities coming together to solve the problem of food waste, which means that we think that people should come together to share the food instead of throwing it away when they can't eat it themselves.
So this kind of initiative I think is very good, very productive in the sense that you want to get different input from different age ranges and so on. I would say that this is something that needs to be way more implemented and for it not to be just a one-time thing, but for it to be improved to stay.
I started to refuse plastic packages and replace them for sustainable packages like jars, for example.
In order to tackle climate change, I myself am eating less and less meat.
I started to reduce my consumption of first-hand goods, like going to thrift shops and second-hand shops.
We will rebuild the connection between humans and communities and the connection to nature.
We will reduce plastic in response to the climate change.
So I started to rethink my diet in response to climate change because I felt like eating meat is bad for the planet, so I turned vegetarian. So that's what I do in response to climate change, but there's definitely a lot more I could be doing.